I think my girlfriend hired someone to see if I would cheat. A couple of months ago, I got a text from a girl asking if I wanted to go out. I didn't recognize the number, so I ignored it. Then she sent a revealing picture in a sports bra, claiming we'd met at a work party. I started to get anxious. Only a handful of people knew I was at that event, so this felt like more than just a random scam. Worried my girlfriend would see the messages and get upset, I decided to show her. To my surprise, she just laughed it off. Given her history of being cheated on, I found her reaction way too casual. She barely even blinked. Fast forward a few months. My girlfriend came into the room and started telling me about a TikTok creator who gets hired to test if people's partners would cheat. Apparently, people pay her to flirt with their significant others to see if they'll take the bait. As she's explaining it, I jokingly ask, "Wait, was that the girl who messaged me? Did you hire someone to test me?" I expected her to laugh it off, but instead, she froze. For a moment, we just stared at each other. Then she snapped out of it, said no, way too quickly, and immediately looked at her phone, pacing out of the room. The whole vibe changed. Now I can't shake the feeling she actually did it and just didn't want to admit.